Now, look at this chart, the family chart. In this chart, you will be able to know what are the nouns related to a family, the plurals and the singular. So, for example, the grandparents, die Großeltern. When we say grandparents, it is more than one person. So, die Großeltern is the plural word. Under grandparents come der Großvater and die Großmutter. Der Großvater or der Opa, the grandfather, die Großmutter or die Oma, the grandmother. Next is die Eltern, parents. Again here, parents is more than one person. So, die Eltern, the plural word. Under the parents are der Vater, the father, die Mutter, the mother, der Vater, die Mutter. Then comes the children, die Kinder. Die Kinder is the plural word, das Kind is a single word. So under the children are die Tochter, the daughter, der Sohn, the son, die Tochter, der Sohn. Then the siblings, die Geschwister, die Schwester, the sister, der Bruder, the brother, die Schwester, der Bruder. Then uncle and aunt, der Onkel, the uncle, die Tante, the aunt, der Onkel, die Tante, and their children are called as the cousins, die Cousinen, die Cousinen. The female cousin is die Cousine and the male cousin is der Cousin, die Cousine or der Cousin. Also in German families, the pet animals are a part of them. Germans treat the pet animals as one of their family members, and the most wanted pets in German families are a dog and a cat. So the dog is called as der Hund, masculine, der Hund, and the cat is called as die Katze, feminine, die Katze. Let us go into few more words which indicate the singulars and plurals of the family. So you have learnt the brother and the sister. The brother, singular word, der Bruder. In your Vorstellen, you have mentioned, ich habe einen Bruder. But what if you have more than one brother? Then the plural word becomes die Brüder. Die Brüder. Ich habe zwei Brüder. I have two brothers. Then the sister, die Schwester. Ich habe eine Schwester. If I have two sisters, the plural word is die Schwestern. Die Schwestern. Ich habe zwei Schwestern. Ich habe 2 Schwestern. Then, coming to the next word, der Neffe. Der Neffe. That is the nephew. The nephew. The plural word, die Neffen. Die Neffen. Then, die Nichte. Die Nichte. That is the niece. The niece. So the plural word is die Nichten. Die Nichten. Then male cousin, der Cousin. Der Cousin. The female cousin, die Cousine. Die Cousine. The plural of der Cousin is die Cousins, male, and the feminine is die Cousinen. Die Cousinen. Then der Sohn, der Sohn, die Söhne, die Söhne, son, sons. Then die Tochter, the daughter, die Tochter, die Tochter, die Tochter, der Enkel, grandson, der Enkel, and the female granddaughter, die Enkelin, die Enkelin. The plural of these words is die Enkelkinder. Die Enkelkinder, which means the grandchildren. The grandchildren. Using this vocabulary, it's very easy for you to build up your family tree. Try writing some simple sentences, or first frame up your family tree and then build up your sentences. As discussed earlier, every singular noun should have a plural noun. In English, almost all the nouns take an S ending for the plurals. That's not the same case in German. Plurals too have different variants. The endings are different in German nouns. So let us take a quick tour around the plural endings. If a noun is ending with E, the plural ending E. So the most masculine nouns need an extra E. For example, der Film, die Filme. Der Film, die Filme. The same rule applies to some neutral nouns also. Das Bier, die Biere. Das Bier, die Biere. Many masculine nouns also add an umlaut apart from E ending. That is, the vowel will take an umlaut. For example, der Ball, die Bälle. Der Ball, die Bälle. Also with most of the feminine nouns. Die Hand, die Hände. Die Hand, die Hände. Many neutral nouns add an umlaut along with an ER ending. So for example, das Buch, die Bücher. So the vowel takes an umlaut and the noun ends with ER. Das Buch, die Bücher. A few masculine nouns also take the same changes. For example, der Wald, die Wälder, der Wald, die Wälder. Most foreign words in German take S, similar to our English. The noun ends with S. For example, die Partie, die Partys. There are no endings, noun endings for the nouns ending with schen, line. That is, for example, das Mädchen, die Mädchen. Das Fenster, die Fenster. Similar to our English, we say a sheep, many sheep. Yeah? So, the nouns which have the endings as schen or line do not have a plural word. The singular and the plural are similar.